Rounded. Hey, love is everything. And without it, I'm nothing.
The boy is mine.
So hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I am back today with another headband wig review. And this is of course another human hair headband wig. Now I've recently done another wig like this, very similar in length and hair texture, but of course a different company. So this is what we got going on. It looks a mess. We're gonna get into that a little bit later, but I'm definitely going to let you guys know all the details that I need to let you guys know about this wig. I did get this wig off of Amazon from a store by the name of Vanya. I think that's how you say it. So make sure you check the description box below for all of the details. But so let's go ahead and jump to the video.
Without the reason they got someone to care for. Maybe all you need's a shoulder to cry on. If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever could dream of. If all you need is my time, I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on.
Now, as you guys saw from the previous clip, this wig has, well, technically this wig has 4 combs, but only 2 is present. And then they gave me those 2 that you put right here, which I've gotten a couple of wigs like that before. I showed you guys, but I will show you again. So you will put those in those 2 areas right there if you need it. The only comb really that I'm using is the back. And I think I used the front a little bit too. Of course, it had the black strap that you put the headband on top. They didn't send me a headband, so I went ahead and used one that I already had. So again, this is from Vanya. I don't know if I said that correctly the first time, but this is from Vanya Hair on Amazon. This is their glueless kinky. Well, this is their glueless curly human hair headband wig. They said it was 12 inches. You know, I'm not too sure, but I actually don't really mind what the actual length is because I like how the texture is. It retails for $39.99. So a human hair wig under $50. A human hair headband wig under $50. That's not bad. I don't see a lot of other information that I need to give you guys, but y'all saw how it looks straight out of the bag, and then I put it on and I brushed it out a little bit, so it's giving me like wild lion type of vibes. So I could easily put something in it, you know, to make the curls more defined, but it's very late. It's like almost 1:30 in the morning. So I just really wanted to show you guys how the hair looks in its natural state. So when I brushed it out, I did notice some shedding. It's all on my shirt. So I did notice a little shedding, but nothing like drastic to where I would be like, I can't wear this wig, like, you know, nothing like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the all around. I do have to say, as far as the black strap, the Velcro part, I feel like it's a little bit too long for this wig, because it's literally like sticking out right here, and I normally don't have that problem. But I mean, you can try to hide it the best way that you can with the headband, but that's pretty much it. So this is how it looks in the front. This is how it looks on the side, back, other side. So I do want to thank Vanya for reaching out to me, asking me to review this wig because it is super cute. I like curly hair, and the fact that I was able to brush it out and it just gives me like this, you know, kind of vibe. Y'all know me. So it's really cute. I really do like it. It's nice and soft and all of that. So you guys let me know down below in the comments what you think about this headband wig. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Would you rock it? All of that stuff, let me know down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and of course share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you're not missing a new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one.